Hey, what's up? Today we're taking a look at an everyday carry blade, the CJRB bolt. With its ergonomic G10 handle providing incredible grip and the advanced Recoil Lock ensuring solid deployment, it's compact, it's capable, and it looks great. You're getting a high-performance AR RPM 9 steel blade. This is CJRB's proprietary blend that offers an excellent balance of edge retention, corrosion resistance, and ease of sharpening, making it perfect for all your daily cutting tasks. The CJRB bolt features a deep carry pocket clip. This means it rides low and discreetly in your pocket. While the CJRB bolt is designed for everyday tasks, for serious camping or heavy-duty outdoor use, it's a great backup. So, if you're looking for a top-tier EDC knife that won't break the bank, the CJRB bolt is definitely one to consider. Sharp, ergonomic, and built to last.